some of you that follow me know I have a 2020 Civic Si. I finally got the window tint installed. So the window tint was such a big decision for me because I've had window tint once before, and as much as I loved it, it was too light for me. But the issue is I was torn between 5% all around and 20% all around. I went with 20% before, and it was too light. If I had gone with 5% all around, it makes it kind of hard to see out the windows at night. It would definitely get me pulled over a lot more. There were so many pros and cons to each, so I finally settled in the middle. I went with a 20% on the side windows and a 5% on the back. So I thought this would make absolutely no difference whatsoever and just make me feel better. I thought it would be like, all right, I did everything I could to try and make it as dark as possible without going really dark. So there's nothing more I could have done, and this is what I have to live with. But it made a huge difference. Putting 5% in the back and 20% on the sides made the side back windows almost seem like 5%. And it made the front side windows seem like 10 to 15%. And that's exactly what I wanted. Having such a big window in the back, so dark, really made such a big difference. And I could not be happier with the window tint. So I have a video on what you should think about before you pick a tint. And I pretty much followed my own advice. I put a lot of thought into it. Other people were giving me their input, and honestly, I didn't follow any of their input because at the end of the day, it's about what I wanted. So I got, like I said, 5% in the back, 20% on the sides, and absolutely love it. It blocks a ton of heat from the car. It gives me a lot of privacy inside the car when I'm filming. No one really sees that I'm filming. And it honestly, I think, makes the video quality better because you don't have to worry about glares as much. Now, you are sitting on the dash, so that window is not completely tinted. The side ones are, but being inside the car, even during the day, it makes quite a big difference. And I absolutely love it.